Hey, how's it going? So today, the excuses need to end. You know what I mean? I don't want to be playing games anymore and hear people with poor microphone quality. It just needs to stop. We've got too many affordable, good options for that to even really be a thing. We're actually taking a look at one of those affordable options today. This is the Tonor TC777 microphone. Now, for a microphone that's under $40, it's got a ton of things going for it. Out of the box, it's pretty much plug and play. You got everything you need to set it up and start using it within minutes, and they even threw in a couple little extras. Things like a gooseneck pop filter, foam windscreen, and even a little shock mount and stand. Pretty nice. Now, the included stand actually does a good job at suppressing vibrations and all that, considering that it's just a throw-in. Not only are the legs made out of aluminum, which is great, but you also have these rubber feet at the end to help keep the mic from sliding around when you're raging while you game. Now, those rubber feet also help suppress, a little bit of desk vibrations, just a bit, not as much as the shock mount, but every little bit kind of helps contribute. Now, the legs have a tripod style design to them, so there's not much adjustments to be had for height. I mean, you get a bit, but not much. Thankfully, this wasn't really an issue for me. I found that the height of the microphone was almost perfect. The shock mount does allow for some rotational adjustments, so you can kind of get that perfect angle depending on where you place the microphone. All right, now you do have the option to unscrew those legs from the shock mount if you want to like throw this thing up on a boom arm or something like that. And I'm actually really happy that that's an option, as I do prefer to use a boom arm at my desk. However, some things are not removable, and it's disappointing. So the shock mount. My biggest gripe is that there's no way to remove that gooseneck pop filter. I don't really find that that pop filter makes a huge difference with this microphone, especially if you got that foam windscreen on. And I actually just think that the gooseneck just gets in the way. It would have really been nice to, have the option to remove it. I'm sure that you can just purchase a different shock mount for this microphone, but that's defeating, the purpose of this kind of all-in-one budget option. Since we're on the subject of things I don't like, let's talk about the wire. Unfortunately, it's non-removable. It's baked right into the mic. So if that wire, gets damaged, then the entire microphone is trashed. With that being said, Tonor does offer a 2-year warranty, so at least you're covered a bit there. All right, so blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I know you guys want to hear how it sounds. So let's go ahead and put this thing through a few different scenarios to give you guys a good idea on how the mic's gonna perform in said scenarios, and see how well it actually suppresses background noise. All right, so we loaded up Call of Duty. We're just gonna do a bit of gunfight, and this is just our standard scenario, raw audio, and also not really a controlled environment at all. We're gonna have the keyboard going. We have a desk fan going. Let me go ahead and mute the in-game audio because that was crazy loud. Well, let's see what we can do here. Oh, okay. You're gonna camp up top, bro? Cool, assist on that. Thank you for helping me out because I am lit. Jumping around the backside. There we go. All right, so that should give you guys a pretty good idea on what to expect from the audio quality coming out of the TC77. Let's set up one more kind of scenario. This one a bit more controlled, where we kind of are able to, eliminate some of these background noises. All right, so now this is in a bit more controlled environment. We went ahead, shut the AC off, the door's shut, desk fan is off, no clicking of the keyboard or anything like that, and this is just raw audio. My mouth is a bit closer to the microphone, and of course, we'll go ahead and slap some effects and everything on now. We'll denoise it, maybe increase the bass, a little bit of the treble, and this is exactly what you can expect from the microphone with a bit of tweaking. So yeah, I mean, you guys be the judge. What do you think? Was it any good? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, I'm Yeti Machete. If you made it this far, drop a like, a comment, maybe a subscribe. Links will be down in that description. And did you know that whispering is talking without using your vocal cords? That's why singers are recommended that they keep whispering to a minimum, as it constricts their vocal cords. Pretty interesting. Anyway, I'm signing off. Catch you guys in the next one.